So in this video I'll tell you what does a web designer need to know in 2020. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to build an online brand, so please consider subscribing. And also, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. So guys, let's begin. So skills required is understand your clients, basically what he wants. Don't give him something which he doesn't want. Understand what he needs, and if you have any more changes on it, let him know in the beginning and how much time it's gonna take and how much money it's going to take, because I always meet a lot of clients where they have bad experience with the money, the budget, with what they said, and even the time. Because I've met so many of my clients where they say, I had a web designer, he charged me a lot, and then he wasn't very transparent about the contract, about the about everything, about even the images he would use. Because in the beginning everyone says yes, and then later they try to alter it or manipulate the contract. So just first is understand your client, what he needs, and just give him what he needs. And if you can make more improvements towards that, just let him know and he agrees to it. The second thing is provide value. Okay, just give him everything what he needs, and also give him something extra. So I met this client where I told him about he could use social media because it's booming a lot. He could use influencers, and I made him connected with some influencers, and then he saw the value towards it. So make sure give him everything, and imagine that it's your business you are running. Okay, so you need to, it's not about just creating websites and just getting the money in. Provide value and also give him some extra tips. And then the third thing is optimize website. Make sure you just don't install the website and give it to him. Make sure it's fully optimized, and helps him with free SEO or with free getting free search traffic. So just give him an optimized website. The fourth thing is always be transparent. Okay, always be clear. Like I won't design the logo for you, you need to design your own logo, you need to get your own content. Just be really transparent, and that's it. I think so these are the skills more required. And I think so if you really like this video, then I have created this free crash course on how to start a web design business. The link is down below. So this is a bonus I'm providing for this video. So the link is down below. It's a free course, and I will tell you how to get clients, what you need to do, how to create your own portfolio, how is the process, how to manage time, how to start, and how to find clients. Everything is in this course. So the link is down below, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.